Today we have an interesting video. This is going to be very exciting. I'm going to show you how to install and configure Windows Server 2022 for the first time. I'm sure some of you may have seen the previews, but this is the first time I'm going to install. So let's go have a look at it. I have a virtual machine with the following configuration. So you can see I've given 4 GB memory and I've assigned 2 virtual processors. I got 60 GB hard disk and it's in net mode. Let's go start the installation and see what's there in the installation. So power on the virtual machine. I'll put this in full screen mode. Right, just starting. Let's see what's there. Right, so the screen looks very familiar with the other operating system, like the startup screen, and of course the install is quite similar. Let's go to the next screen. Right, here we have the option to pick the operating system, which is quite similar to Windows Server 2019. So we can pick the desktop version, and we can pick the core version. In 2016, we used to have standard. When they say just the standard, it's just the GUI version. For the core or command line, they had within the bracket they had core, but here it's just swept. So let's go install the standard or with the GUI, which is the desktop experience. Let's click next. Right, accept the terms and conditions. Looks like a big font compared to the previous Microsoft font size. This is quite a big font size. So let's move on and then click install. Since it's the first time, I'm clicking just custom installation. You can create the partitions, but I don't normally create partitions. I just move on with the standard. So the system will create its own partition. This is quite faster. Copying files are quite faster here. Just copied. Let's see what happens in the getting ready. So we are almost there to getting ready to install the features and the updates, right? So 97%, right? So installing features just like lightning speed, it's done, and now we're installing the updates. I'm sure that definitely we will have more updates once we install the operating system, but right, there you go. The installation is finished. Let's restart. Right. Since it's a virtual machine, of course, you see the VMware, that's fine. Here we go. So we are just getting into the first boot up screen of Windows Server 2022. Quite sharp fonts compared to the previous versions. These fonts are quite sharper. I've seen like 2016 and 19 fonts are quite not that sharp. There you go. It's going to ask you for the administrator password. Right, keep the password. It didn't have option to give the hint here. Used to be there was an option to give the hint password hint. There you go. The operating system is installed. So let's put the password in, and I need to change the resolution as well. So it's quite a small resolution, I can see. Let me go back and change the resolution just to make sure to get full screen view here. Icons are quite different. Let's change to full screen. I believe one of these would work better. Yep. There you go. Small, that would be the best. Right. Okay. So we have installed the 2019. Of course, we had that option. Yeah, pretty much I installed Windows Server 2022 standard. What we have here, the start menu, and you can see the setting has changed. The icons on this one has changed. Let's go to Server Manager. They're pretty similar. Yep. I don't see much difference here. It's all looks similar. let's go have a look at the folders, because if you look at Windows 11, they have changed the icons of the folders and even the way it looks. Right here it looks like the previous options, right, previous Windows versions. But if you look at Windows 11, the operating system, they have changed a lot. So that's pretty much what we have. We can go back and check some more configuration. Let's see. Let's put it into full screen mode. Let's go to Admin Center. Terminal services is there. Let's go to Server Manager one more time and have a look at the, I don't want this message to show every time. We can see it's almost same. All right, so pretty much similar. So that's the first preview of Windows Server 2022. Hope you like it. And the next video I will install the Active Directory and I'll show you how to configure Active Directory on this. If you like my videos, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is FaceItNet. So you can see FaceItNet is my YouTube channel and I've got some interesting videos here.